Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar holds to a positive bias as it approaches its objective, which is at 67 cents, having cleared 66. I do feel from a technical point that the ADX is promoting a strong bull trend, and along with that, with the main two indicators, the MACD and the RSI, also supporting the upside case. Having posted 11 consecutive days, the bulls have held it for 9, and therefore the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, refreshes its 2.5-month lows around 103. Market participants are now closely monitoring the Australian retail sales data this morning and also the RBA Governor Michelle Bulluck's speech on inflation at the Hong Kong Banking Conference. Also this week we got the Australian CPI for October. That is on Wednesday. And then overseas we've got also the US Consumer Confidence, GDP, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and the main event in the spotlight is the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell and also the US Federal Reserve's preferred measure of underlying inflation, that is the US Core PCE price index. Any pullback for the Australian dollar expected to be shallow with the support seen around 65.70. As I mentioned, the US dollar or the greenback was weaker and therefore saw a further push in this 4-day trek for the euro, and now getting closer to its objective of 109.90 to 110. I do feel from a technical point that the market may actually head beyond there, but keep an eye on this bearish divergence that could put a little bit of a struggle towards that challenge at 110. But if cleared, would negate the bearish divergence and then see a further rise up towards 111. With any pullback expected to be shallow, that is seen around 109 figure 15. Dollar yen weaker into the third consecutive day and now heading back on track for its call at 144.5 to 144.80. I do feel with a bull trend slowly strengthening, and along with that with the two indicators, the RSI and MACD weak, should keep the market on focus towards the level of 147.70, and a break there should ignite further weakness down to 146.5, and as mentioned, the objective of 144.5. Any upside attempts should struggle towards the region, somewhere around 148.70 to 149.5. Sterling also stronger into its fourth day, and since clearing that region of 125.60-65 now gives further room to the upside and look towards 126.40 and extending up towards 126.90 with any pullback to be shallow and still see demand beneath 125.80. The market bulls hit the drums hard when it comes to gold as it pushes on and reaches its objective of 2018 and now puts a squeeze in play. In light of the pattern, could actually see a rise on towards the region of 2030 and reassess with any pullback. Still see the firm base at 1,978 to 80 and with the immediate support seen around 2,000. Wrapping up with oil, but this market is still a bit mixed when it comes to trading due to the fact that the support lies anywhere from 72 to about 74. The top side is capped around 78 to 79, and lack of trend will give a lot of choppiness in terms of the price action and a very bumpy ride if trading. So I'd rather wait until we get closer to a firm support or a firm resistance to initiate any trades and not get caught in the middle where the noise is. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the interest rate report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.